Hello and welcome to the Financial Edge Python for Finance course. What makes this course stand out? Well, most people in banking and financial services do not have the skills to use Python. Python also ranks as the most in-demand skill for financial professionals. Moreover, this may prove to be an essential skill for anyone working with large clients and financial data. The key learning points are how to use and navigate Python, gain the skills and understanding of using and creating various Python objects. We will gain the knowledge of the key libraries in Python and most importantly, how this can be used with financial data. This course includes videos, Python exercises, and quizzes. You will have tutor support available, and when you pass the final exam, you'll earn a certificate recognized by the top financial institutions. We start by looking at how to get started with Python. Here, we gain a general understanding of Python and programming. We then move on to looking at some Python basics, which explore Python operators, strings, data types, and other key objects within Python. Then, we look at how to build loops, statements, and functions. We also look at how to use statements and loops within functions. And then finally, we move on to libraries. And mainly, we cover the NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Date and Times library. Most importantly, within each library, we look at some concrete examples of how to use these libraries alongside key financial datasets.